How's it going, everyone? So I've started adding some tin foil to this wall here. This is a little closet underneath the stairs, and I'm adding these salad bowls to the ceiling over some spots where I think there is EMF leaking into my house. They're likely some sort of DIY electronic weapons. Like, this is supposed to be an interconnection for the fire alarm in the house, the fire alarm system, supposedly, but I don't know. There's a big transformer there that was sort of sloppily pasted over with some mud and some tape. So I got a couple holes in the side of this bowl here to fit the screws through. I actually feel relief when I put the salad bowl over that socket there. So yeah, I'm just gonna put some screws in there. Something like that. So I know the joists run sideways in the house like this. So there'll either be joists and wiring around this area or this area. So I want to avoid that area and just put a screw into the drywall. Let's see here. Let's see, like that. There we go. I think that'll help give a little bit of relief. I think there's something under here too. I can't remember what's under there. I'll check that out. There's all sorts of sketchy stuff built into this house. So. Yeah, I can feel an increase in EMF from this. I might even just be using that coil of shit wiring as some sort of antenna or something to amplify a signal through. It's quality craftsmanship by my psychopath terrorist, Singapore immigrant terrorist landlord. I'm going to add another bolt to this too. Let's see.